In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect two monitors to one PC with HDMI. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Having a dual monitor setup can be extremely useful. In this video, I'm going to showcase how easy it is to set up two monitors connected to one PC. For this, I recommend using two individual HDMI cables, so one for the first monitor and another one for the second. So all that you have to do is look at the back of your PC and then usually below or at the back of the monitor. You want to connect the HDMI cable to your graphics card. So if you have a dedicated graphics card, usually the ports are going to be below this I/O shield. So you will have a bunch of connectors where you would usually plug your USB devices and stuff, and if you look slightly below it, you might see some HDMI ports. If you have these ports, always prioritize using these. If you don't have a dedicated GPU, so you have nothing here, then you will have to use the ones on your motherboard, but you should only use the ones on your motherboard, like I said, if you don't have a dedicated GPU. So prioritize these. All that you have to do now is establish a connection, and this part couldn't be simpler. You plug one end of the cable that I mentioned previously into one of these ports on your GPU, and the other one goes into the monitor. There will be clearly labeled HDMI ports here, but you can also tell by the shape, it is very distinctive. So once you plug one end of the cable here and another one into the monitor, you are good to go. It's that simple. There is no secret to this, and any cable will work. Ideally, make sure that you grab the highest quality cable possible, because higher quality cables will be able to achieve higher resolutions with higher refresh rates. Once both of these are connected, restart your PC if needed, and when you go over to the settings on Windows, you can access the display options to configure the monitors. So let's say, for example, you want this monitor at the right side, you can place it here. If you want it below, you can place it here. You can change the orientation, so you can make it a essentially vertical display. You can change the height, and this is very important to make sure that your mouse glides freely between the monitors. There are plenty of options to use to identify the monitors and how they work. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect two monitors to one PC with HDMI. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.